Hi, welcome to our series on Harvard referencing. In this video, we are going to look at how to create a reference list. If you haven't already, check out our previous videos on what referencing is and how to create in-text citations. Harvard referencing is made up of two parts. Part 1 is the in-text citations, which we discussed in a previous video, and Part 2 is the reference list. The reference list comes at the end of your assignment and lists all the sources that you've cited in your assignment. Whilst your in-text citations include the author's surname, year of publication, and page number if there is one, a reference list includes more information and gives full details of where that source can be found. So your reference list is a list of all the sources cited in your writing, arranged alphabetically by author's surname or by title if there is no author. We are now going to look at how to reference a book. To reference a book, we need to include the following information: authors or editors, the title, the year of publication, the place of publication, the publisher, and the edition number if it isn't the first one. We can usually find the title and author's names on the cover of the book and the publisher on the title page. The page after the title page is where we can find the place of publication. We only need the city name. Find the copyright symbol to locate the year of publication. Now that we've got all the information we need to create our reference, we will take a look at the correct way to arrange the information. So this is what your reference will look like. The author's surname is followed by their initials, the year of publication in round brackets, the title of the book in italics, the edition number, the place of publication followed by a colon, and finally the publisher. So let's take a look at how to reference a website. To reference a website, we need the authors or organization, title of web page, the year of publication or last update, the full URL, and the date you access the site. Sometimes it's quite easy to find the information you need. Other times you might need to scroll to the bottom of the page. In this example, the author is an organization. Note that you use the title of the web page and not the website. Our reference looks like this: the author, which is an organization, the year of publication in round brackets, the title of the web page in italics, followed by the full URL, and finally the access date in round brackets. For more information on referencing, including how to reference journal articles, videos, and more, check out our Harvard referencing guide. You can download it from the library's Moodle page under the Plagiarism and Referencing tab, or scan the QR code on screen. Also, check out our referencing LibGuide, where you can find your specific university referencing guide. There are also tools such as ZeroBib to help you with your referencing. Just make sure to always check your references are correct. And remember, if you need help with your reference list or anything else we have covered in the videos, you can arrange a one-to-one with us by visiting your campus library or emailing us on libraries@mptcgroup.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.